What happens to your body during a surgery? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something super personal for me. What happens to your body during surgery? I've got a confession to make. I'm having a first ever surgery in a couple of days. Yes, I'm a doctor, but I've never been the one on the operating table. So I thought, why not break it down for you and for me, step by step. So whatever you're facing your first surgery like me, or you're just curious, just stick around and hit that subscribe button and let's dive in.
Hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Okay, so let's start before the scalpel even comes out. Surgery is a big deal. Your body is about to go through a wild ride. For me, I'm nervous, obviously, and I've never done this before. I operated, but I've never been the one on the operating table. Scary stuff, yes. So what happens now? You'll usually get to the hospital, change into a gown, and meet the team. They will hook you up to an IV, that's a little tube in your vein for fluids and medication. Then there's anesthesia. Most surgeries use general anesthesia, which knocks you out completely. It's not like a sleep, it's something more deeper. An anesthesiologist, the sleep wizard, gives you medication through an IV or through a mask. Your brain waves slow way down and you're out cold. So no dreams, no walking mid-procedure, thank goodness. I keep telling myself that part's routine, but it's still wild to think about. So what now? You are asleep. Now what? Your body is on autopilot. That means your heart keeps beating, your lungs keep breathing. Well, sort of. If you're under general anesthesia, a machine called ventilator might breathe for you through a tube in your throat. That freaks me out a little bit, but as a cardiologist, I know it's just a lungs getting a break, yeah. So the surgeon gets to work, could be fixing a bone, taking out an appendix, or in my world, tweaking a heart. Yeah, your body doesn't feel pain because the anesthesia blocks those signals, but it's still like reacting. Your blood pressure, your heart rate might bounce around, so the team monitors you like a hawk. They've got machine beeping, keeping tabs on everything. I've been on that side of the table, it's intense, but now I'm trusting my team to do the same for me. So here's where it gets interesting. Even though you are out, your body knows something's up. Surgery is like a controlled injury. Cutting tissue triggers your flight mode. Your blood starts clotting to stop bleeding, which is great, but they will give you medication to balance so the clots don't go rogue. Your immune system kicks in too, sending inflammation to heal the spot. That's why you feel sore later, and it's your body like rebuilding. As a heart doctor, I'm also curious about my vitals during this. Will my heart stay steady? They might tweak fluids or drugs to keep things smooth. It's a team effort, of course. Your body and the doctors working together, and I'm trying to picture it, but yeah, I'll be asleep for the show, so I will ask the team afterwards what happened. And once they're done, the anesthesia wears off and you wake up like groggy, maybe confused. I've heard it's like coming out of a fog. Your throat might be scratchy from the tube and you'll feel the surgery site like pain. Pain medication help you with that. Your body is still in a repair mode. Yeah, your heart and lungs get back to normal and you might feel like wiped out for days. That's healing energy at work. For me, this part's unknown. Will I be loopy, sore? I've told patients what to expect, like hundreds of times, but experiencing it, it's like a new territory for me. They say that rest, hydration, and following doctor's advice or orders is the key. I'll be taking my own advice for once, yeah. So that's a rundown. What happens during surgery? Your body is amazing. It adapts, fights, heals, all while you're checked out. As a cardiologist, I trust the science, but as a first-timer, I'm a little bit scared. and I get it if you are too. If you've got a surgery coming up, or maybe you've been through one, tell me in the comments down below any tips for a newbie like me. I will update you after mine. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who's curious or nervous, and see you post up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more health experiences and for more medical content, and maybe my surgery story. Stay strong, healthy, and wish me luck. Catch you in the next one. Cheers!